Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to Just Sophia. So guys, today let's talk about Upwork. Guys, my name is Judith. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. I do how to make money online videos, personal finance, personal development, just anything that will develop you as an individual. So please consider subscribing, click the notification bell and share my videos to whoever needs them, okay? So now guys, I don't know how many writers out there. Hello. So now I know it has been hard finding a job lately. Not lately, but for a very long time now. I don't know if it is because of AI or the war in Ukraine, or it is because of what the financial situation all over the world. I just don't know what is happening to freelance writing industry currently. But now it has been hard to get a client. So now when you wake up in the morning, the best thing that can ever happen to you as a freelance writer is you receiving an email from a client. So that is what happened to me. I received an invitation to an interview on Upwork, and I was so happy. So I went over and read through the job description. I liked it, and then I accepted. So like I sent the client a message. I just want to take you through the whole process of what happened. At the end, it is actually a warning. I didn't get the job. It wasn't even a good fit. It was actually a scam. But I just want to show you how it happened so that you can stay woke. So let's go to Upwork. So guys, this is my Upwork. My Upwork account. So now this is the message from this. I can see he's a handsome man, Lottie Johnson. We hope this message finds you well. You see how well articulated this message is. Like it just sounds legit. We were truly impressed by your portfolio, meaning they checked my profile, guys. That is one thing that can really lure you, because now it means this person took the time, went to your profile, saw what you had written, you have written over there, and they are now using it, to con you. Especially your insightful articles on cryptocurrency and blockchain technology, your ability to convey complex concepts in an engaging blah 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 blah. So it was a long message, and I read it all. And then here was my reply. Sorry. Hello there, Lottie Johnson. Thank you for the interview invitation. And yes, it will be my pleasure to join your writing team as a cryptocurrency content specialist. I used all my English, guys. All my English to write this thing. So his reply, I'm going to ask you a few questions. I was very patient. This is part of the interview. So here is how we went. He asked the different questions about cryptocurrency, and I answered to the best of my knowledge. And can you provide examples of articles you've written on cryptocurrency or blockchain topics? So I said I have done this, but on ghostwriting basis, so I didn't have rights to any of the articles I have written. But I was willing to actually do a free sample of like 300 words to show my competence. You will do that a little later. For now, let's finish the questions. So last question, have you had experience owning cryptocurrency assets or trading on cryptocurrency exchanges? Yes, I have bought and sold Bitcoin. That is very true, by the way. But I did this some time back. I used the Binance exchange to store my coins. Okay, I'll send you your resume to my superiors. Okay, so this happened very quickly, and I was very impressed, because now sometimes when you get an invitation from a client on Upwork, mostly because of the time difference between us and some clients, it takes even a day for the client to reply, and then now when you get the message during daytime in your country, and then now the communication becomes a bit difficult. But now this person was like live. For now, okay, so now what did he say? What kind of payment will you be comfortable with, hiring through Upwork or payment by cryptocurrency bank? Guys, always keep it on the platform. unless you have reached a point where you trust the client fully. Always keep it on Upwork. I love Upwork's payment procedure, because now it allows both parties to benefit. So now after you submit your work, then they can the client releases the money, and then I don't know, before you can access it, before the freelancer can access it, it will take like 4 or 5 days before it is active. So I always prefer working from Upwork. For now, I'm comfortable doing everything from Upwork. Later on, we can explore other payment methods. That was my response. Okay, so how would you feel about taking you on a trial period, which we will pay you based on the number of articles? Today you will be sent your first assignment. This is the place that excited me the most, guys. This article will have to consist of 700 to 1,000 words. Generally, the payment for the first article is $170 to $270. Guys, who wouldn't want that? Who? So I'll send you the topic as soon as I get the guidelines sent to me. Within 15 minutes, you will receive a Blogger dashboard that will allow you to create and edit. This is not something so weird, because now the people who are organized, they will always use these online, is it called productivity tools, to send work, so that it's just a systematic place. You just go and pick a job, finish, and then you submit, and then the payment is made and all that. So he told me to create submit. So this is what the dashboard was supposed to help me be able to do. So in the meantime, log into our official website. So I logged in, and then now this is where the problem was. So it tells me to connect my wallet. Yes, you log in with an active wallet. Put your nickname in the nickname, blah 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 blah. If you have any questions. Okay, so I told them I didn't have a wallet at the moment, because now, yes, I have bought cryptocurrencies before, but now you know how that number is very long. Your wallet, is it wallet ID or something? It's very long, and of course, when I stopped doing that, it just got lost, and I didn't really care about it. So I wanted to create a new wallet, but now. This is what this guy said. We have a DSOD system in place. It blocks new empty wallets from authorization. Oh, wow. This is done to limit access for scammers, and he's the scammer, and bots. You will need a wallet that has at least $100 worth of transactions in the last month. Oh, guys. Now this is where the problem was. I really sweat a bit, because now a wallet with $100. So I called my friend who has been doing a lot of cryptocurrency writing, and asked her if she has ever come across such a requirement, and she's actually the one who saved me. So please confirm if it's possible to connect with a new wallet, because I currently don't have a cold wallet that has transacted at least $100. Thank God I didn't have one. So now the supposed what did he call him? Let me ask Dennis, whoever Dennis is. So he asked Dennis, the IT manager, and Dennis confirmed that indeed I needed a wallet that had transacted, or that had $100. So this is the first time a problem like this has risen. Oh, please. The ad said that there was a cryptocurrency wallet. I take it you don't have $100 to make a transaction on your wallet. And by that time, I had decided that I wasn't even going to take on this job after all. So I simply said, I actually don't. So I told him that if that is the requirement to start working, then I will have to pass on this one. Thank you for your time. I knew very well that he wanted to call me, but now there is no need for me to talk bad to possible clients, So now that was our conversation. That is how our conversation ensued. Later on, by the way, guys, this job was deleted by Upwork. So I was sent an email. But now, sometimes, this email can come in late when when the damage is already done. So you need to be vigilant when you are on platforms like this one so that you don't get conned. So, guys, that is how my lucrative job ended, guys, with me not having a client. My hopes that were raised, now they went down like that. But anyway, it happens, and I just want you to be careful out there, even on these streets of online writing or any other social media platform or even the internet in general. Just be careful, because now you never know. My takeaway is that if someone is looking for you to give them service, there is no way they should be asking you to pay for anything. Actually, they are supposed to pay you. So at the end of the day, whether if anything involves you giving out money, like in this case, if I had an active wallet for cryptocurrency wallet, you see, I would have just connected it and then my money would have gone like that. But thank God I didn't have an active one. And also because I am desperately looking for a client, it is very easy to con me right now. So be careful out there, even as you hustle. I know it is hard, but I just pray that at the end of it all, we will come out of this as winners. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe for more videos like this and many others. Yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.